For our final lesson, lesson 93, we're going to learn another theorem, our second theorem, the exterior angle theorem. We're going to create equations using the interior angles of triangles and use the exterior angle theorem to find the interior angle of a triangle. We're going to use those EE skills to find the unknown angle and accurately and consistently calculate the measure of angles inside of a triangle. We're going to look at the exterior angle theorem, and what this basically says is that the outside angle, which is this one out here, is the same measure as these two angles. So why does that make sense? Let's use what's inside this triangle to help out. It has to do with the idea of the 180. So I know, I'm going to make this an X over here. I can figure out what that angle C is, that BCA. 60 plus 50 plus X equals 180, as we know about the sum of interior angles of a triangle. 110 plus X equals 180. X is equal to 70. Okay, so now that we know this is 70, we know that these three angles make 180 degrees. We also know that these pair of angles make up 180 degrees. So if this is true, what do we know about this one here? What is this missing angle going to be? It's also going to be 110 degrees. And again, notice these two, when added together, are also 110 degrees. This is the exterior angle theorem. And it basically has, again, the outside angle is equal to the two opposite interior angles. In a triangle. So basically, it just says if these two are supplements, make 180 degrees, and these three make up 180 degrees, then this angle has to be equal to these angles. Why? Because I'm using the same angle in both equations. Hard to explain, sometimes big language, not very hard to do. Hit pause and jot this one down into your notes. And let's do one more together. So here I have my exterior angle. And we already know, what does this mean? I know that 1 plus 2 make up 180 degrees because they are supplements. They are supplementary to each other. And it means that I also know that 1 is going to be equal to 3 plus 4. Makes sense because 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now I'm going crazy. Doesn't that sound insane? But think about it for a second. These two over here, 1 and 2, make up what? 180 degrees. What about these three over here? Also make up 180 degrees. What angle do we have in common? This guy. Angle 2 is the same in both. So now let's use that to answer this question. Maya claims that angles 3 plus 4 are equal to 1. Okay, so she's claiming same thing. 3 and 4 are equal to 1. Which equation explains why Maya's claim must be true? So let's look through each one and see if it's true, or both sentences have to be true, or we can eliminate. Okay, well, the first one. Angles 1 and 2 are 90 degrees. 1 and 2, they make up 180 degrees, so no. So A, not valid. 1 and 2 make up 180 degrees. That's true. 3 and 4 make up 180 degrees. No, these are only two parts of the triangle. So that's not true. Let's go to the next one. 1 and 2 make up 90 degrees. No, we already know that is not true. We've already eliminated 3. And the last one, 1 and 2 make up 180 degrees. Yes, that is true. They are supplements. And 2, 3, and 4 make up 180 degrees. Yes, this one is also true. Again, because they are supplementary. This part is true. And because of the interior angles of a triangle. This is true. So D is the correct choice. Okay, Math Marvels, I know I got a little bit excited there. I couldn't help it. Hit pause and jot this down into your notes. And that's it. That's the end of 7th grade lessons from Math Mini Lessons. I will see you next year in 8th grade or in 8th grade honors, which is Algebra 1 Regents. I hope you've had a great time. Use the videos to continue to review. I will see you in the next school year. Take care.